ancestor said the first name is Ihomachukwu. So then Jasmine asked, and what does that name mean? So then her ancestor responded, Ihu means face. Oma means good, positive, or favorable. So it's like Ihoma means to have a positive face or outlook or benefit on something. And Chukwu means God. So together, Ihoma Chukwu means God's favor. Jasmine said she likes that name a lot. But then she got a little bit more curious. She asked, if I give my daughter the name Ihoma Chukwu, what type of personality traits will that give her? So then her ancestor looked at her and said,